Hello, Tom Zarinskas, and I'd like to speak the panphone mirage in TrueSpell, showing all 40 U.S. English phonemes. That's what a panphone does. And here is a description of what it does, and you can go to truespell.com to change regular text into phonemes to do your own panphones. And this one is the regular text, and here's the phoneme. Conversion. In TrueSpell, they unearthed a city which would have existed 12,000 years ago, like a subsoil mirage. It just appeared. I know we'll all be there in a few short years. Not very optimistic, but here is the phoneme count. You can freeze your screen and see get a count of phonemes. There were 5 D's and 6 E, long E sounds. And here you go with the final total. And you have 61 consonants and 39 vowels for 100 total phonemes. And that is a 69% and 61% officially. And here is more of a count. So thank you very much. These panphones are good to practice English. You get to say every sound.